truck is so high it's got a free hand warmer. Look at it. Get the hands warm, a little carbon monoxide, got it all. I remember when I was in my prime talking about like, what would the next level be, right? This is it. I'm getting to witness it. Whistling Diesel is the next level. It is so sick to watch and see.
I appreciate
the
that.
growth.